Hello children, I Anita Misra, your computer teacher from Middle Wing, and this video is for Standard 4. Today's topic is the revision of Chapter 1 Evolution of Computer as well as Chapter 2 Input and Output Device from your computer book. As in the previous videos we have discussed about these. Now let us start Chapter 1 Evolution of Computer. This is about the introduction of computer. As we know that computer is an electronic device and the physical parts which we can touch and feel are known as hardware, as well as hardware, software is also required. Software operate the computer as well as it also control it. So software as well as hardware both are interrelated to each other, and this process is called as IPO cycle, input, process, output. That means when the input or data it goes as an instruction to the computer produce the output after the processing. Next, the characteristic of computer. That means what the things that computer can do. So with the help of computer we can do various calculations. We can do non-arithmetic operations like drawing, designing, comparing, etc. If we go for the characteristic, we can see or we understand that computer can do the work in a high speed. Computer can do the work in 100% accuracy. Computer has a larger storage capacity. Computer is very smart. As we know, computer is very intelligent. Computer has different types of ability to do work. With the characteristic, we have various limitation of computer. Computer don't have any thinking power, sense or emotional feelings. That means computer could not think. As we human being can feel, we have emotion but computer doesn't. Next we start the development of computer. It took a number of years for getting the computing machine or to invention of computing machine. First of all, the people of China invented abacus. So these are some computing machines. When means in the 2nd century. It was the first calculating machine. It can perform simple calculation like addition and subtraction. It is a manual device. Next is Pascaline. Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal. It is a faster calculator in 1642. It was called Pascaline and it was a mechanical device. It also does only addition as well as subtraction. Multiplication and division, these computing machines could not do. So again, people suffered. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage, who is called the father of computer, he invented the difference engine and later it modified it, and it is known as analytical engine. These machines can do sums and can also perform logical analysis like comparison, sorting, and other non-arithmetical tasks. Let's go for IBM Mark I. In 1943, Grace Hopper developed an electromagnetic computer. It was a huge in size. It could perform numerical and logical computation. IBM stands for International Business Machine. ENIAC and EDIAC. ENIAC was the first electronic computer. It was developed by IBM in 1946. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Along with the ENIAC, EDIAC was made. EDIAC stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Now, let's begin the generation of computer. In the first generation of computer, ENIAC and EDIAC was made with a valve like dyad and triad. So, it is a first generation of computer. In the place of dyad and triad, in the second generation computer, IC are marked. They are very smaller and faster than the first generation. Now, third generation computer between 1964 to 1970, chip can be contain thousands of IC, so it is made from chip. Hence, these computers were very small, much faster and portable. Some examples are PCXT and PCAT. Fourth generation computer between 1970 to 1990, and these computers are equipped with a huge memory, high speed and greater computing power like image, sound, processing and multimedia. So laptops are the example of fourth generation computer. Now if we go for the fifth generation computer, fifth generation computers like digital diaries, supercomputers and robotics, it is a good example of fifth generation of computer. Robotics, which is based on AI, artificial intelligence. Now this is about the first chapter, evolution of computer. Now chapter 2, input and output device. Before I start input and output device, I could tell you about the physical peripherals or physical device of the computer like monitor, CPU, speaker, keyboard, mouse, speaker, printer. So these are the parts of a computer. As we know that whenever we need some of the output, we need to output device. If we need to give input to the computer, we need a input devices. So input and output device are very useful. Here some of the input devices just like keyboard, mouse, microphone, joystick, touch screen. So these devices are used to input data such as numbers, alphabet, image, sound and text. Output device. Before output device, let us discuss one by one. Keyboard. It is used to enter alphabetic and numeric data. Means it is very useful in all the computers. It is used to feed the data. Some more input device like mouse. It is a pointing input device and they can move the cursor on the screen by moving the mouse over mouse pad. It has 3 buttons: left, right and scroll. Joystick. It is used to play games. Joystick has a vertical stick with a trackball at its bottom. One can move the objects on the screen using the joystick. Microphone. It is also known as mic. Computer can record the speaking sound or a speech and store it in memory like tape, CD and DVD. It is just used to insert audio or sound. Touch screen. As we know, it is a sensor based special screen. It takes the input by touch of a human finger, hand or pen, just like we are touching the screen of the mobile phones. It is used in the railway station, office and airports. Some more input device. Now, output device. It is used to show the result or information of the processed data. Some output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, screen. Now, start with monitor. It is an essential output device. It may be black or white, or we can say it can be a color. It is called as VDU, Visual Display Unit. It creates text, image, picture with very small dot called pixel. Monitors looks like TV and are based on CRT, LCD and LED. Display of the monitor is called soft copy. Types of printer. The various types of printer are dot matrix, line printer, inkjet, laser printer. Now, speaker. It is used to produce the music and sound stored in the computer. It is like sound boxes and also maybe small enough to fit into human ears. Let's go for the plotter. Architect and designing engineers need 3D photographs of some objects like shapes, building. Here, 3D moves are very popular. The display of such movies and cartoons is made easy with the help of plotters. Now, screen. To examine the human inner body parts. Means doctor use these for examine the inner body parts of the human. This device produce the inner body image directly on the visual screen. These are some of the output devices. Now let's start the exercise of chapter 1. If we go from question number 1, see, answer the following question. What is the IPO cycle? As we know, computer is designed on the IPO cycle. It accepts data and instruction as input. It stores data in the memory and then processed as output. Now, next question, list the characteristic of a computer. We know that characteristic of a computer are high speed, accuracy, larger storage capacity, diligence or intelligence, versatility. Tick the correct sentence. Next we go for question number 3. What is an abacus? Abacus was the first calculating machine. It can perform simple calculation like addition or subtraction, as we knew earlier. 4 number, list the different computer generation. Different computer generation are first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth and fifth generation. Question number 5, what is the analytical engine? It is the first general computer. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. And these machines can do sums and can also perform logical analysis. Now let's go. Question number B. Tick the correct sentence and cross out the incorrect ones. So, first one, input fact given to computer is called data. True. So, we can put tick. IBM Mark I was the first electronic computer. Cross. Abacus was invented in China. Tick. Question number 4, processed data is called information. Tick. Question number 5, IBM stands for Indian Business Solution. Cross. Let's go for the question number C, fill in the blanks. First is computer works with the speed and first is accuracy. Second is computer produce information from the data. So second is information. Third is ENIAC is the first electronic computer. 4 is 1958. Means IC was invented in 1958. 5. Chip. CHIP is a collection of thousands of ICs. Now match the following you can do by side matching. Question number D. IPO. Cycle of input, process, output. Question number D. So 1 join with D. Diligence. The ability of computer to operate with concentration. 3 number, IBM International Business Machine. B. 4.1 IC Integrated Circuit. 5. Versatility, ability of computer to perform different types of tasks. Now let's go for question number E. Choose the best alternative for the following. First is which one is the computer characteristic? Not a computer characteristic. Question number C, thought. 2 number, computer, first generation computer were made up of ball. 3, P is the IPO cycle, stands for process, and D is left. So D answer is both A and B. Now let's begin of exercises from chapter 2. Now chapter 2, first question is what are input device? Devices used to input data such as numbers, alphabet, image, sound and text are called input device. Question number 2, name 2 input printers or name 2 types of printers. Dot matrix, line printer. You can add more, but here it is asking only 2 types of printer. List different uses of touch screen. So different uses of touch screen, it can be used in railway station, it can be used in offices. 4. What are the use of joystick? Uses of joysticks are, it is used for playing games on computer. It is used to control and insert instruction. Question number 5. What is a mouse? So mouse is a pointing input device that can be moved the cursor on screen by moving the mouse over mouse pad. Question number B. Tick the correct sentence with tick mark and cross out cross with cross. Question number 1. Monitor produce hard copy display. So it is cross. Second one, microphone is an input device. Tick. Line printer produce printout of the text only. Tick. Question number 4, screen is an output device. Tick. 5.1 joystick is used by architect and designer. Cross. Question number C, fill in the blanks. Monitor produce a soft copy. Dash is a pointing device, so here obviously mouse. 3 number dash stand for pace per minute, ppm. 4 number doctor use CT scan to examine a patient inner body parts. 5 number video stands for visual display unit. Now let's begin. Question number D. Write the full form. CRT, cathode ray tube. IPO, input process output. ppm, pace per minute. VDU, visual display unit. LCD, liquid crystal display. Question number E. Match the following. Inkjet join with E, pen, color photograph. Mouse joined by D, a pointing device. Microphone joined by A, insert audio data into the computer. Plotter joined by B, produce 3D image. Keyboard joined by C, used like typewriter. Here matching also you can do side by side. Question number F. It is used to play computer games. Obviously joystick. Question number 2. Inkjet is a printer. 3 number architect and engineer use plotter. An essential input device is both A and B. And 5th is video. Now just we have finished chapter 1, chapter 2, revision also. So all the students just revise chapter 1 and chapter 2 thoroughly. Thank you. Thank you for watching.